Hi, I'm Nikki and this is That's What She Grows. Today we're going to be doing some planting Anthurium berry seedlings and show you the process on how I do that. It is a bit snowing today. Thankfully we're now out of this weather. That's what it looks like outside of my store. And here we have the seedlings. Whoop! Ow! Cat! Ah! I'm under attack. These are actually fresh Anthurium berries from the Anthurium Plowmanii that I bought from another person who pollinated theirs right here in Toronto. Each of these berries contain 1 to 2 seeds. My transitions are smooth, as you can see there. Bam! I'm just squishing the seeds out of each one, putting it on paper. These are quite slippery, and yeah, they're quite sticky as well. So that was a whole process, took a little bit to get through. I was quite tempted to try and eat a berry, but after a little bit of research, it turned out that that is not a good idea. They're slightly poisonous. One of my amazing transitions there again. Look at all those berries. And we're just going to pop those in some water, rinse those off gently. You can use distilled water. I just use tap water. Sarnia tap water is pure chlorine, basically, but I wanted these berries to get quite clean. You want to get the debris off so that they don't mold while they're in the sphagnum after. I'm just playing around, kind of watching them float and which ones are floating and sinking. I believe that the ones that float are not viable. Seeing as how many actually sprouted, which ones didn't, I believe that the ones that sink are actually viable. They sink, they have some weight due to the little seedling inside, and the ones that float are just not that good. Here we're going to have a little break, some unsolicited photos of my cats. Me being weird, which is a normal occurrence. We just have some sphagnum moss, some containers, bam. Another amazing transition, and there you go. So those are now planted in there, and I put them in a little plastic cloche, and they sat there for 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, guys.